Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to change your voice option on TikTok if it's not working. If you're a gamer or a programmer, in the video description you will find my top computer equipment for gaming and working. Tell me if you agree with it in the comment section. So, to fix TikTok option, just open your App Store. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iOS. Type TikTok, and here if you see upgrade instead of open, tap on it. Then close all apps and simply open TikTok. If this doesn't work, just tap and hold on the TikTok icon and then the info button. Here select storage and cache and tap on clear cache. If this doesn't work, simply clear the storage in general, restart your phone, and that's pretty much it. It should work. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to see more.